Hi, Syed. Thank you for requesting a review of your listing, your rustic wooden serving tray. My name is Jin Gonzalez, and I'm a business development representative at My Amazon Guy. In this video, I'm going to talk about PPC, SEO, design, and merchandising. Now, I'm going to jump in and show you some potential enhancements that you may want to consider. Here, first, I pulled up your listing using this keyword tool, and it shows that your keyword distribution could be better. We usually like to see a 1 to 2 ratio of sponsored keywords to organic keywords. It shows here that you have the 1 to 1 ratio. And let's talk about your sponsored keywords first. So, here, I sorted the data by sponsored ranks. Here are the keywords, the search volume, and we can also find the keyword or the organic ranks here. So, your best rankings are for these keywords. And as you can see, some of them don't have search volume data, and it means that they are not that popular. And some of the keywords here have low search volume. So, you may want to look into this. If we sort the data by search volume, it shows that you're advertising for some popular keywords, but I think you could improve it. Well, let me show you this. Um, Here we have the keyword wooden tray with 18,000 search volume, and you rank 166 for this keyword. And this is a good keyword that you could be advertising. As you can see, the search result, there are brands that advertise for this keyword. I don't see you come up, so you may want to look into this. As you can see, it's insufficient to just rank organically because Amazon has plastered some ads at the top of the search result, and we can see more ads here as we scroll down. And this is how big this category is on Amazon. Just in the top 50 listings on one keyword wooden tray, there's $314,000 monthly revenue, and it looks to me like there's a lot of market share still available for you to take advantage of. Now, let's talk about your organic keywords. As I mentioned, for every one PPC keyword, we like to see two organic keywords, and there are thousands of additional keywords you can index for. You want to grow them because they help you get seen on Amazon for free. Let's take a look at your competition. This brand, Brighton Living, has 2,200 organic keywords, although their PPC keywords are really low. Here's another one. Acacia Wood Serving Tray, they have 3,800 organic keywords. And wow, they have more than 2,000 sponsored keywords. They almost have the 1 to 2 ratio, a healthy ratio that we recommend. As you can see, they have way more keywords than you, and they are also selling more. We should run a keyword gap analysis. That's where we duplicate the words with high search volume into your listings. And you also want to look at least 10 competitors when finding relevant keywords that will index your product to more customers. And here at my Amazon Guy, we can help grow your organic keywords with our whole SEO strategy. We optimize listings to get them indexed for more keywords and rank organically over time. So, speaking of optimization, let's talk about how to fully optimize your product detail page. So, it shows that you have a long title. You got 184 characters. You may consider adding one or two more words here since you can go up to 200 characters. You have long bullets, which is good. We like to see that. Just remember to update them regularly, and you want to stuff them with keywords to improve traffic to your listing. Now, let's talk about your photos. Your first photo has white background and zoom option, but I'm not sure if you're selling two trays because your main image has two trays, but your title doesn't say that. So that could be a bit confusing. If you're selling one tray only, it's better to have this photo. Well, actually, I tried to find somewhere here, but I'm not sure if you indicated how many trays your customers are getting. But it's good that you have lifestyle images, infographics, and your target demographic. Well done. You may also consider adding a video to help your product stand out. Now, let's talk about A plus content. You don't have A plus content, and that's a massive opportunity. It is proven that it helps with conversion, and we can take care of that for you. Let me show you an example of a well optimized one. This is the Mega Pint Cup of Momster, and this is the brand of my Amazon guy founder, Stephen Pope. So as we scroll down, we can see the brand story with a scroll option so customers can learn more about the brand. And these photos here are hyperlinks to the other products in the brand. It's really good for upselling. Under the product description section, we can see big photos and long copies, and there's also a product grid for upselling. It is really well optimized and great looking. Here at my Amazon guy, we are a 300-person full service agency, and we do everything to help you grow your sales. We grow traffic through PPC and SEO, and we grow conversion rates through design and catalog merchandising. We also give you peace of mind. We handle Amazon so you can focus on your business. I hope you find this valuable, and we would love to chat with you further. Book a call with us today, and I'll have an even more qualified Amazon expert discuss your Amazon needs. So I hope to talk to you soon, and thank you so much for your time.